Easter is the most important feast in the Christian calendar worldwide. It celebrates Jesus Christ's victory over suffering, death, and sin. It is a celebration of joy, of freedom from the slavery of sin, and of hope for a new life. Easter invites us to make this joy infectious by extending our hands to all the people of goodwill and working together for peace, harmony, and mutual respect among men and women of different social, cultural, and religious traditions, and by overcoming divisive forces that seem to be active even in our own state. May Easter inspire us to live as responsible citizens in our country and state, working towards genuine human development and integral, sustainable advancement. Happy Easter to one and all.